Good morning, Bozeman. We are thrilled to be here and bring kind of the best of Google's resources and tools to help you be the most effective that you can be.
The entrepreneurial spirit here in Bozeman is really on fire, and so we're really excited.
The whole community benefits from having Grow with Google here.
We are more and more a knowledge-based economy, and we want to make sure that all Montanans can be afforded the opportunities and the skills in an increasingly connected economy.
Favorite part about the experience is actually engaging with the Google consultants. To actually have an opportunity to engage one-on-one with someone who is experienced is a bonus.
Today I'm here to help small businesses from everything from activities such as signing up for Google My Business, all the way down to AdWords and Google Analytics and making sure that websites are appropriately set up.
You don't have to be a software developer to understand and find a place to get started. Google really makes it easy.
It's a wonderful experience to come in and learn about how small business and entrepreneurs in this community can grow their business.
If you can't be here, you can find trainings and tools online at google.com/grow.